हेलो एंड वेलकम टू 306090 और आज हम बात करेंगे कोरोना वायरस और लॉकडाउन के ऊपर। तो चलो मैं मेरे दोस्त काल से पूछता हूँ, मेंबर ऑफ 306090। काल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द वेव ऑफ कोरोना वायरस? दिस कोरोना वायरस, विल इट इम्पैक्ट आवर कंट्री और विल इट इम्पैक्ट people severely now, the second wave?
I think if you take precautions, there's no need to worry about coronavirus. The thing is, people are not following those simple protocols given by the government, like sanitize your hands, wear a mask, take care, keep like a 6 feet distance from
people.
From
Exactly. Well, जैसे बोला है, we have to maintain safety precautions, XYZ, maintain distance. We are doing this video, even we cannot maintain distance. It's very difficult to maintain distance, especially when people go to work, because by the end of it, money is something which is very, very important. पैसा जो है काफ़ी important है. And what can we do when we have to be in a society? We are all social animals, correct? So being in a society, we need to be with people, we need to mingle with people, we need to talk. Now, what can we do to impact this routine where we are not affected with coronavirus? Besides, safety features number one. What else do you think can people actually do to make sure that it doesn't affect their daily routine, their daily life? What do you think in your mind?
I think they should keep tabs on their health, their nutrition, exercise daily.
Absolutely.
No one's asking you to do like a hardcore exercise. It could be a stroll in the park, or you could go out for a run. Have this simple staple diet that everyone follows. Your dal, chawal, drink a lot of warm water. So I just reminded you.
You just reminded me. So you see, here are a few tips. When we talk of hydration, when we talk of warm water, when we talk of simple basic diet, जो अगर आप follow करोगे, तो you don't think you have to worry so much about COVID and you have to worry about coronavirus, because a lot of people have been asking each other कि क्या करें. अब घर पे भी बैठोगे, कितना टाइम तक घर बैठोगे? How much time can you sit at home? You sit at home, you sit at home, you sit at home. There's going to be a point of time where you're just going to get bored with life and you will feel मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. In fact, when we talk about people sitting at home, people just being at home, don't you think, Carl, there have been a lot of suicide cases?
A lot. I mean, sitting at home, facing those four walls, it gets you so saturated. In fact, get out. I mean, go bask in the sun, go for a walk, meet someone. Okay, fine, you can keep your distance, you can talk at this distance like how we are talking right now. It's very much safe, nothing to worry about. Be productive, because sitting at home, there's a saying, an idle mind is a devil's workshop.
Absolutely.
Sitting at home, it messes with your head more. In fact, get out, go do something, be productive. It could be gardening, it could be any outdoor activity, any sport.
And in fact, when we talk of few things, people have been telling, is it compulsory that we should wear mask, we should sanitize our hands? At times, even if you forget mask, let me tell you all, mask is as cheap as 10 rupees now. You get mask everywhere. But it's really not about the mask. I think it is more about your immune system. What do you think, Carl? It is more about the immune system. And to strengthen the immune system, I think you could use methods like green tea, kada. You can switch on to very natural and herbal things. I think you can quit smoking, correct? Like a lot of people get out to have like a smoke. I think you can also quit drinking, because these are few things that affect immune system. What are other things? Probably drugs. Oh yes, that would be on the A list. Drugs, tobacco, alcohol. The more probably people love them.
Yeah, in fact, that just increases your chances of getting coronavirus.
Correct. It just increases your chances of getting coronavirus. And I think there's a very interesting article that I read, that ice creams, like people like junk food and ice creams, these are elements that can actually increase your coronavirus element, especially I think the oil. Oil. Do you have to say something about cooking oil? Like, what is the special oil that people have to use?
Oil is required for everyday cooking, but that doesn't mean you use excess. Everything has to be moderate. Even when it comes to eating, like you said, junk, you can have your cheat day once in a week, but make sure it's moderate. Don't overeat. Whatever you do, don't overeat junk, don't overeat this, don't overeat that. Just stick to your normal staple, home food, and I think that's the best remedy to cure and improve your immunity.
So, like we said in this video, we don't really have tips to give you about, super tips to take care of, whether coronavirus will affect again, this lockdown will get you shut. If anything can happen, that's for government to decide. But I personally feel, and we at 306090, we personally feel whether there is a second wave or a third wave, whether there is a lockdown, the one thing that really matters is their health. Correct?
Absolutely.
Is your health.
Health is
wherever
wealth.
you are. Health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
You need to take care irrespective wherever you are. Even if there is a new wave of lockdown, I think today with a lot of digital transformations, people are doing work from home. So I think your work won't stop. Your work will happen. But if you get out, do not get out for junk. Do not get out for just going around faffing around with people. Take care. If you need to faff around with people, have fun with people, wear your precautions like the mask, but also make sure that health number one. And I think coronavirus will never affect them. What do you think?
Absolutely.
It's not going to be COVID ever in your life. So well, with this video, we are only going to tell you that whether lockdown or no lockdown, money is important. You need to earn. Do not worry about the lockdown. Worry about your health, because if health is fit, if health is wealth, I think there's not going to be lockdown anymore in our country. Say yes, no more lockdown.
No more lockdown.
So with that, you got to like, share, subscribe, because at 30, 60, 90, we love your health. And yes, we do this.